I'm an Air Force veteran here with one Army veteran. I'm wondering why we should vote in for a war. Thousands of our brothers and sisters, countless Iraqis, give a medal. You also give a medal to the man who enabled that war in Kosovo. Your blood is on your hands. You're my friends are dead. Because of your fault. So is my son. For years. That doesn't matter, right? Nothing doesn't matter. Matters for life. I'm sure it does. I'm not going after your son. I'm not. No, I'm not going after your son. You are disqualified, sir. Disqualified. The blood is on your hands. Blood is on your hands. No. My brothers and sisters died in Iraq and Afghanistan. You enabled that to happen. You enabled that to happen. He is disqualified. He is disqualified. No way he can be president. They are dead. Millions are dead in Iraq. He will not be allowed to be president. Disqualified. Trump is going to be. Fucking bullshit. Fucking bullshit.